There are infinite options of shampoos and conditioners in the market. Sometimes there are so many that it's hard to choose the best one for your hair. But did you know you can make your own natural hair conditioner? Besides being cheaper, homemade conditioners are safer for our health and the environment. Did you know that? Making your hair conditioner is an excellent way of doing treatments specific to your hair type. And the best part, without any chemicals or synthetic additives. The ingredients for this homemade hair conditioner are apple cider vinegar and water. Apple cider vinegar has high acidic pH, which helps close open hair cuticles, aligns hair fibers, and hydrates the hair. The ingredient also helps with dandruff and hair loss thanks to its antifungal properties, ideal for maintaining the scalp clean and strengthening the hair roots. Did you know that ACV also controls oiliness? Thanks to the enzymes and probiotics of apple cider vinegar, it prevents oiliness and seals the hair cuticles. How amazing is that? To make your hair conditioner at home, you need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, preferably a high-quality organic one, and 1 cup of water, filtered or mineral, chlorine-free. Just combine both ingredients and keep them in a clean spray bottle. Using this conditioner is easy. Shake the bottle before using. Gently massage the product into your scalp for 1 or 2 minutes, then rinse. Don't worry, although ACV has a very characteristic smell, your hair won't smell like it after drying.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.